As our lives become increasingly busy and mobile, finding ways to maintain healthy habits while juggling various commitments can be challenging. This is where portable blenders step in as a game changer for those who prioritize nutrition but don't want to sacrifice convenience. Whether you're a frequent traveler looking for an easy way to stay nourished on the road, or simply someone who wants to enjoy fresh smoothies without being tied down to a kitchen appliance, the best portable blender can be a versatile solution that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Magic Bullet Portable Blender. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender is a compact and lightweight solution for those who want to enjoy refreshing drinks on the go. Featuring a convenient flip and sip lid design, this blender ensures easy transportation without any spills. The infuser basket allows you to add herbs or fruit for flavored water, offering versatility. With a single full charging session, you can power through 15+ blending cycles, making it a reliable companion for your travels. Its handled lid adds to the portability, making this little blender a perfect choice wherever you roam. Number 2 is Momo Lifestyle Portable Blender. The Momo Lifestyle Portable Blender stands out with its collapsible design, a must-have for those who prioritize efficiency and space-saving solutions in the kitchen. The retractable 17-ounce cup makes storage and transport a breeze. This personal and portable blender comes with a transformable portable blender cup accessory, allowing you to enjoy your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere. With USB rechargeability, it's a convenient choice for individuals with busy lifestyles. The long-lasting 2000 mAh battery ensures up to 12 shakes, making it an excellent option for pre- and post-workout nutrition. Number 3 is YIUOKAEI Portable Blender. The YIUOKAEI Portable Blender packs a powerful punch with its 280-watt motor and 6 stainless steel blades, reaching up to 18,000 PRM. This mini blender crushes ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables with ease, allowing you to prepare nutritious smoothies in just 30 seconds. Designed for portability, it comes with a large 21-ounce BP-free bottle, making it ideal for those on the go. The USB-C charging feature ensures quick and easy charging using various ports, adding to its convenience. With multiple blending modes, it caters to different preferences, from pulse blending to thorough mixing. Number 4 is Ninja Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender brings Ninja's powerful blending technology to your travels. With the capability to blast through frozen ingredients, this blender makes perfectly smooth drinks wherever you are. It offers a large 18-ounce capacity and comes in premium colors to suit your style. The hinged carry handle makes it easy to carry, and the easy open sip lid allows you to blend and drink in the same vessel. Cleaning is a breeze with BP, a free and dishwasher-safe components, and the blender can self-clean with a 30-second blend cycle with water and a drop of dish soap. Number 5 is Brookstone 500 ml Compact Portable Blender. The Brookstone Portable Blender is crafted from 100% food-grade materials, making it a culinary companion and an environmentally conscious choice. With a 17-ounce or 500 ml capacity, this personal blender is ideal for various settings, from the office to the gym. An additional lid enhances its on-the-go convenience. The blender boasts efficient speed and power, featuring an 1800 RPM motor, precision-crafted 6-leaf stainless steel blades, and a durable cast copper motor for optimal blending. Recharging is convenient with a USB cable, taking 3 to 5 hours for a full charge, providing the ability to make 15 to 20 cups of your favorite beverages.